Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
Inflation is out of control, but that's not good for gold. That's great for gold. Hi, this is David Modell looking at the markets. You won't believe this. Recently released data showed that U.S. consumer prices in October rose at their fastest pace in over 30 years. Shocking, right? Now, analysts say that gold, which is seen as a hedge against inflation, will be well supported with rising inflation and the dollar's destruction. That's the good news. Now, it will take years to fix the supply chain issues, all of the stimulus and infrastructure spending, and tons of pent-up demand. But the path towards higher gold prices and even bigger gains for mining companies, it's very clear now. This is a huge opportunity, and we have an actionable strategy for you. Consider owning gold bullion if possible, and also you can easily purchase shares of exploration and development companies, talking about mining companies here. But only do it as long as they're located in highly prospective regions. That's key. So what kind of region am I talking about? Where's the gold at? Well, it's in an area, a lot of gold is in the Golden Triangle. This is in Canada. You can see right here in the X's on this graphic here, all of these properties, these mineral properties, which have been highly successful already, they're all located in the same general area. And you can draw a triangle around them. Isn't that interesting? That's Canada's Golden Triangle of gold properties. Now, right next to it is something I call the Holy Grail. This could be, probably will be, I believe, the next big one to join all the others. What others? Well, there's been a lot of success stories here in the Golden Triangle. You probably or might have heard of some of these well-known gold companies: Seabridge, Ascot, Tudor, GT, Skeena Resources, Newcrest Mining. They've had successes in this area, and so the Holy Grail could easily be the next one. And this Holy Grail, it's a property owned by Prospect Ridge, which specializes in strategic mineral exploration. And this is a tradable business. You can find them on the OTC market under stock ticker symbol PRRSF. And on the Canadian CSE exchange, the ticker symbol is PRR. So check with your broker to see if you can get access to it. Now, Prospect Ridge focuses on the acquisition, exploration, and development of precious metals projects in Canada, such as in the Holy Grail we just looked at there. And the main objective is to create value for all stakeholders, including the shareholders. Prospect Ridge's experienced team intends to execute, capitalize, and grow the company to become a dominant force within the Canadian mining industry. And actually, this company has not just one, but two mineral projects. The first one, we saw that one already, the Holy Grail, which is in British Columbia, Canada. Also in Canada, specifically Quebec, is the Galani project. Two projects, one company. And there are many investment highlights, many benefits to investing in Prospect Ridge Resources Corp., a proven management team with considerable successful exits and a track record in raising substantial capital, multiple initial projects and work programs, a tight capital structure, no long-term liabilities. This is not a company with huge debt at all. Property size is huge, totaling 70,000 hectares, 12 gold and silver past producing high-grade mines within a 15-kilometer radius. And it's not just gold, it's also silver. Peak silver value to date is 578 grams per ton, that's metric ton, and heavy mineral sampling produced gold-bearing gravel on the property. I also want to talk about the leadership. At the helm of this company is Michael Iverson, CEO and director, who brings over 30 years of executive experience in public markets, including corporate development, capital formation, acquisitions, and mergers. Mr. Iverson has acted as CEO and/or director for companies that, while he was in that role, have achieved, in the aggregate, market caps in excess of $1 billion. Mr. Iverson has the experience and the knowledge to be able to bring this company to huge success, I believe. Now let's talk about that Holy Grail a little bit more, the flagship acquisition of Prospect Ridge. The Holy Grail property is located 10 kilometers north of Terrace, British Columbia, and currently covers, as we said, approximately 70,000 hectares. Huge, bordering the historic Golden Triangle we just talked about. The property is easily accessible with multiple serviced roads, logging roads, and ATV trails that cross-cut the property. Combining the favorable access with the three-phase power lines that transect the claim block, this provides for cost-effective exploration and greater feasibility when a significant deposit is delineated. In other words, easy access to the property. Super important. Now let's not forget the second property, the Galani Project, located in Quebec. The Galani Project consists of 15 contiguous mineral claims covering an area of approximately 839.45 hectares. Prospect Ridge Resources Corp intends to commence a proposed exploration program on the Galani property, which includes an anticipated Phase 1 exploration program. They are going to make this happen. There's a huge commitment with this company. Nearly all directors of the company own shares of Prospect Ridge Resources. CEO Mike Iverson, personally and through his entities and affiliates, owns a collective 6 million shares. That is commitment right there. That's confidence in the company. Other companies in the same geological area have already developed projects into mines, massively benefiting early shareholders. I showed you that Golden Triangle area. The asset is a past producer with surveys, aerial work, and previous mining already done in the general area. So this adds up to a huge investment opportunity. Now, accredited investors are welcome, but you don't have to be an accredited investor. You can check with your broker to see if the shares are available. Again, OTC market, the stock symbol is PRRSF. And on the Canadian CSE exchange, PRR is the ticker symbol. It has a tight share structure. This is not a company with a ton of debt. It's not a company that keeps on printing up tons of shares. Look, the government might probably will keep on printing up those dollars, but gold is a precious resource, and it is just going to be more valuable in my opinion. So you can actually connect with this company, Prospect Ridge Resources Corp. I want you to go on the internet and check out www.prospectridgeresources.com. I will make it easy for you. I'll put a link in the description below this video so you can click on that. And you can even email them, info@prospectridgeresources.com. So I want you to check out the stock, see if your broker has it, and learn about the company before you decide whether to make an investment. So check out the website by all means, and contact them if you'd like to. So I'm going to keep on bringing you these resources, these ideas, these strategies as I see it. Gold, in my opinion, long term has nowhere to go but up. And this company, Prospect Ridge Resources Corp, is also on the move in a good way. Inflation is going to help, but this company is one of the best ways to capitalize on this opportunity. I want to thank you for watching and listening. I appreciate it. I will talk to you again soon.